Hello, Jim Larkey, owner of Safety Connections. And my blurb for the week is a continuation from last week, leading through conflict in the workplace. Are we ready for the conversation? Here's some ideas or thoughts for you. Set the stage. Start by creating an atmosphere of openness, constructive criticism, problem solving. You want your colleagues to understand that you are focused on the future, not the past. And you're optimistic that things are going to work out. Follow these simple guidelines. Be sincere in the desire to understand. If you're the one involved in the conflict, admit responsibility for your contribution. Ask what you can do to make amends. Emphasize that you want to work together to achieve a mutually satisfactory solution. 2, describe what the issue is. Sometimes we don't even know, but we just make it an issue. Describing the conflict from your perspective as objectively, clearly, and specifically as you can. Talk openly and honestly and directly to the other person. Express your emotions, but choose your words carefully, keeping them both courteous and professional. And I always like using the word respectful. Explain how you feel and why. Consider how you want to be viewed after the conflict is over. While many people are uncomfortable talking about emotions in the workplace, it's better to express emotions in a forthright, appropriate way rather than having pent-up emotions gush out to address those issues. Express information in a way that casts no blame. Be sure that expressing emotions is helpful. Don't let your own hot buttons interfere with the process. Be specific. Instead of, I feel bad, say, I'm frustrated. Because using the I word instead of the you, as in, I'm disappointed that a conflict came to this point. Not, you are to blame for this mess. Gain perspective. It's helpful to imagine what your colleagues are thinking and feeling. Don't assume you understand all the facts. Setting aside your assumptions, what questions will you ask to understand others' perspectives and to confirm or disconfirm, if you will? As they answer, practice good listening skills and try to understand where they're coming from. Acknowledge when you understand by rephrasing the question, restating it, or summarizing. And ask examples to clarify the issues when you don't. Seek agreement. Identify potential points of mutual agreement and areas of disagreement. This is the first step in arriving out at a solution. Identify solutions. From there, come up with a possible solution that help further everyone's motives, goals, and agendas. Don't evaluate them yet at that point. Your priority is just to generate new ideas. As you discuss, express alternative viewpoints in the form of a question, such as, would another solution be okay? Most importantly, be willing to compromise. Remember, you're looking for a reasonable solution, not a victory. Develop an action plan. Establish a plan with specific actions that both of you are both willing to take to implement the solution, and express the appreciation for everything the person contributed to problem-solving session. And communicate the willingness to meet again to check on progress. That's my message for the week. Have a great week, everyone.